Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Carpet Tufting Gun Review. Number 4. Product sell points. Speed range, adjustable 5 to 40 stitches. Sex speed range caters to diverse tufting needs and precision. Pile height adjustability, customizable pile height from 7 to 21 mm for creating various textures and designs. Centro 40-pin knitting machine. How to use Centro knitting machine. Voltage range, versatile, 100V. 240V voltage range ensures global compatibility for seamless operation. Number 3. Cut pile versus loop pile. Pros: cut pile also contains a twist which helps it stand up and resist matting and crushing, which is one of its advantages. Another advantage is that they are softer underfoot than loop carpet, making it a great choice to use for most of your home. Cons: however, cut pile can be more difficult to clean and maintain since the loose fibers allow dirt and liquids to spread into the carpet. Number 2. The new 2-in-1 electric carpet tufting gun is a versatile tool for creating custom carpets. It supports both cut pile and loop pile modes, offering flexibility in designs. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for weaving, flocking, and crafting professional quality carpets with precision and ease. Number 1. The AK 2-in-1 electric carpet tufting gun is a versatile tufting machine designed for professional and DIY carpet making projects. Equipped with a digital display and integrated light, it ensures precise control and easy operation. Perfect for weaving, flocking, and creating custom designs, it's efficient, durable, and user-friendly. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.